10 things, tasks, or tips you need to be an amazing affiliate marketer. Number 1, choose the right product, service to promote. Identify the right products and services that have a high demand in the market. Understand your target audience. Know who your target audience is and how to best engage with them to entice clicks and conversations. 3, build a website or landing page. Build a website or landing page with attractive content that drives conversions and clicks. 4, track and monitor your campaigns. Track your campaigns to determine their performance and adjust accordingly. 5, utilize various promotional techniques and strategies. Utilize various promotional techniques and strategies to promote and drive maximum sales. 6, monitor competitors. Stay up to date with your competitors' campaigns to stay ahead of the curve. Number 7, utilize automation tools and software. Use automation tools and software to optimize and streamline your campaigns. Number 8, leverage influencers. Reach out to relevant influencers in your sector to drive maximum clicks and sales. 9, keep up with new trends. Keep up with the new trends in the industry and capitalize on them before the competition. And 10, adapt to changes. Quickly adapt to the changes in the affiliate marketing landscape and take advantage of new opportunities.